Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility. This prevents wasted steps. Check that your monitor reports 2560 by 1440 native resolution and supports the refresh rate you need. Once done, swap to a certified DisplayPort 1, 2, or HDMI 2.0 cable. Adapters often force lower modes. Then install or update the GPU driver from the vendor and set display scaling to 100% so the OS doesn't resample pixels. These first actions ensure the system can actually output true 2K before proceeding. Now you configure the GPU to produce exact 2560 by 1440 timing rather than relying on defaults. Open the GPU control panel, create a custom resolution with the correct horizontal and vertical totals, and choose the desired refresh rate. This controls pixel clock. Make sure color depth is set to 8 or 10-bit depending on your panel. Once you add the mode, switch the OS display to it and verify scaling and multi-monitor modes. This avoids unintended interpolation or letterboxing. Finish by applying the new resolution and testing using native 2K content or a game running full screen. This proves true output. If the image has tearing, black bars, or incorrect scaling, make sure the cable and ports are intact, try a lower refresh rate, or remove and recreate the custom mode in the GPU driver. Once done, reboot to lock settings. If problems persist, test with a different 2K monitor or GPU to isolate whether the issue is the display, the cable, or the graphics card.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.